Mr. Vicky Bari from Kunal Kohli Productions. And Mr. Kunal Kohli from Kunal Kohli Productions. And our gorgeous hero, Shahid. अच्छा इधर chairs भी हैं. Has PC reached? Okay, PC is on her way. She'll be here soon. Meanwhile, we'll sit here. And जो भी सवाल आप पूछना चाहते हैं, हाँ जी पहले फोटो कर लेते हैं. चलिए. Okay. So I think instead of us saying anything, because whatever we had to say, we've said through the trailer. अब जो भी आपके questions हैं, सवाल हैं, fire away. हाँ जी.
कुणाल क्या फना के बाद फिर से वो शायरी वाला दौर शुरू हो गया है इस फिल्म के साथ?
Let's hope so. I think it was just the character, and फना से पहले भी I think बहुत सालों से no one had done शायरी in a film, और फना के बाद भी किसी ने शायरी नहीं की है. So one of the characters that Shahid is playing in the film, called Javed, he's a dil phek aashik kind of character. So he does a lot of शायरी.
पहले हमने 1910 देखा, फिर 1960 देखा, फिर 2012 देख रहे हैं. तीनों जनरेशन को इस तरीके से फिल्म में डाला है आपने.
किसका फोन बज रहा है यार? प्लीज आप लोग फोन ऑफ करके आइए. नहीं नहीं मेरा फोन नहीं. हाँ जी. Okay. That's a very interesting question. See, love is evergreen. Love is all through the ages. जब से हम हैं तब से प्यार है, मोहब्बत है, इश्क है. So that's why I thought that we should have a film about love through the ages, love through various lives, and that's why this film.
शायद प्यार में आपका कितना यकीन है और किससे आप सबसे ज्यादा प्यार करते हैं?
जी फिलहाल मेरी और कुणाल कोहली की लव स्टोरी चल रही है और
शायद
प्यार आई
don't
थिंक
expose our love story.
हाँ
Don't expose our love story. It's not तेरी मेरी कहानी.
that only you know Kunal, you've written it. No, I completely believe in love and ये मेरी दूसरी love story है जो मेरी जो last दो releases हुई हैं उनमें से ये मेरी love story ही है. So obviously I have a lot of faith in love and I believe in love. I think love is the most beautiful thing in the world. It makes the world go round. So I think सबसे exciting चीज़ मेरे लिए इस फिल्म में ये थी कि you see three different love stories, तीन अलग-अलग generations की. जब कुणाल और मैं काफ़ी वक्त से मिल रहे थे, बातें कर रहे थे, कुछ करेंगे, क्या करेंगे, और कई सारे आइडियाज़ हम लोगों ने डिस्कस किए. ही हैड सम फुल्ली डेवलप्ड स्क्रिप्ट्स आल्सो, बट बातों बातों में जब उन्होंने ये एक बात मुझसे कही कि एक थॉट है यार मेरे पास कि जब हम शादी करते हैं तो 7 फेरे होते हैं और कहा जाता है कि आप लोगों का साथ जन्म जन्म का साथ होगा. तो किसे क्या पता कि किस जन्म में हम किससे कब मिलते हैं, कैसे हमारी लव स्टोरी उनके साथ कल्मिनेट होती है, पूरी होती है या नहीं होती है. द सेम टू सोल्स वुड मीट ओवर डिफरेंट टाइम्स एंड हाउ वुड इट बी. तो मैंने कुणाल से कहा यार ये बड़ी थोड़ी सी सीरियस टाइप की आइडिया लग रहा है. एंड ही सेड नहीं यार, बट आई वांट टू मेक इट इन अ फन वे. आई वांटेड टू बी अ यंग फन टेक एट सीइंग द सेम टू कैरेक्टर्स इन 3 different lifetimes and what happens in each lifetime with them, which I thought was a very exciting idea. And I don't think I've seen anything like that before on the Indian screen or anywhere actually, where you see 3 different lives of the same 2 people, not different people. So yeah, so that was what was very exciting. And yeah.
So Shahid, do you believe in this whole concept of soulmates? Nowadays in our times, it's difficult to complete one love story in one lifetime. Do you think, do you believe in it personally, and do you think the audience will be able to relate to it?
I think eventually everybody is kind of looking for love. Yes, it's very difficult to even find one complete love story. I would agree with you on that. Maybe that's why this is our way of escaping from reality, and trying to see 3 love stories and trying to believe in romance. But yes, I think why not? Why isn't it possible to find love, and why isn't it possible to be happy? I think love has various shades. You will see a little bit of all that in this film. It's happy, it's sad, it's exciting, it's stressful, but that's what makes a great film. Regardless of whether the love story comes true or not, I think it makes for a very exciting film. And when it's in three different time periods and you're seeing all three together, it's an interesting contrast, and it kind of makes you think about how love has changed over the ages, or whether it hasn't changed over the ages, and how it would be in different time periods. It's exciting for me to see myself, in Mumbai in 1960s with those trams going all around and me walking around with a guitar behind my back. And if I was a struggling musician in the 1960s and I was to fall in love with a woman, how would my journey be? Or if I was Javed from 1910, which is even before India became independent, and if I knew Shairi like Javed does, which obviously Kunal does, and that's why he's written it, and he seems to love it a lot, and it's something that I really enjoyed in Fana as well. So I was nervous to be doing it because I think somebody like Mr. Amir Khan had done it, and I was very nervous, and I told Kunal also, I said, yeah, I hope I don't make a fool of myself because it was done so well in your earlier film, but he was very kind and he said that we'll find a way of doing it well. Yeah, so if I was Javed in 1910, and if I was to romance a woman in 1910, pre-independence, when our country was not our own, it was ruled by the British, how would that journey be, and how would Krish and Radha's journey be in 2012? And that part of the film is shot abroad. It's supposed to be in Britain. How it would be for two people today to fall in love and to see all that together would, I think, be very interesting. And so, yeah, I'm excited to see how everybody reacts to it. I'm hoping that they like it.
Kunal,
Shahid, your-
Kunal, the concept is seemingly similar to a Taiwanese film called Three Times. So the three generations is quite similar. I just want to know what are the differences.
Everything, 100% different. I've not seen the film to begin with. Someone told me about it while I was making the film, so I read about it on IMDb. Completely different. Completely
But
different.
it's again a love story spanning in three generations.
Now that's a problem. What to do? I mean, that's just a coincidence. It's like, when I made Hum Tum, there was a film called Before Sunset that came out 6 months after Hum Tum, and it had the exact same opening sequence of Hum Tum, where the guy has lost his love and he's released a book, and it is and the film starts with a press conference where he's talking about the love that he's lost, and that's exactly how Before Sunset started. But there's no similarity between the two films. See, nowadays, if you want to remake a film, you just buy the rights and remake the film. So if I wanted to make Three Times, I would have bought the rights and done it. So it's definitely not that film.
Okay, your question to Shahid as well as Kunal. Shahid, here.
Yeah.
I want to ask,